Hello everyone! What you're about to learn in this video has been reviewed and approved by expert mechanics here in the shop, so relax, this can be fixed. When the message Radar Cruise Control Unavailable appears on your Toyota, the car is basically telling you, hey, I can't trust what I'm seeing ahead right now, so I'm shutting down temporarily. The adaptive cruise control system relies on a front radar and a windshield-mounted camera to measure distance from other vehicles and maintain a safe speed. If those sensors aren't sending clear signals, the DRCC shuts off and shows this alert. Many mechanics agree that most of the time the issue isn't a broken sensor. It's that something is interfering with the system's signal or communication. One of the most common causes is dirt or obstruction on the radar or front camera. Dust, mud, insect debris, snow, or even trapped water after a wash can prevent the system from detecting vehicles ahead correctly. Some owners reported that after carefully cleaning the sensors and the windshield area where the camera is located, the message disappeared and the DRCC returned to normal operation. This shows that many times the solution is as simple as letting the system's eyes see clearly again. Related to this, moisture or condensation can also cause temporary issues. Some clients noticed the alert appearing after heavy rain or a pressure wash, and that it disappeared after driving a few minutes, allowing the sensors to dry and stabilize. It's like the system needs a moment to reacclimate. If cleaning isn't enough, the next things to check are the connectors and wiring. Over time, harnesses can loosen, corrode, or accumulate dirt, interrupting communication between the sensors and the DRCC module. Many reported that disconnecting the connectors, cleaning the pins, applying a little dielectric grease, and reconnecting everything firmly solved the issue without replacing any sensors. Another key factor is the battery and system voltage. The DRCC needs stable power to operate correctly, and if the battery is low or the alternator doesn't maintain constant voltage, the module interprets it as a fault and deactivates adaptive cruise control. Replacing or charging the battery and ensuring the terminals are clean and tight resolve the alert for many owners. There are also situations where the sensors become misaligned after minor impacts or repairs to the bumper or windshield. Even if everything looks fine visually, a small shift can prevent the system from interpreting data correctly. Recalibrating the camera and radar with specialized tools usually eliminates the alert permanently. Finally, sometimes the issue lies in communication between electronic modules. The DRCC relies on the camera, radar, ABS, and engine ECU. If any of these have an active error code, the system will deactivate. Using a Toyota-compatible scanner allows you to read those codes, clear errors, and restore DRCC functionality. Even disconnecting the battery for a few minutes to reset the modules can clear temporary alerts.